Grüß Gott, mein Freund. Ich habe eine 1973 oder 72 Volkswagen Nummer 3, Type 3. I can't remember the rest of the language, how to say it. I want to say Fenster, but that's for window, but this is a fender, so I can't remember all the automobile technical terms, but this is one Fender, 72 or 73 Volkswagen Type 3 station wagon. I've got both these fenders and the hood. The hood is repaired. I did the same repairs yesterday. You know, just this big rotted area on these things. Right here where this brace is welded. This section here is new, along up a little bit here. I'm working on this area right now, but I'm going to quit for today. And I just finished this today. This is a new panel right here. This is the original overlap right there. I ground it down, peeled it back, and this whole area here is a new panel. It's kind of tricky to get these done, to do them, you know, to replicate the curves. And it's going to need some body filler on it as per normal. I mean, they all do, so, which is not a bad thing. It's just the way it is. So I got that done, and I'll probably finish this maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I'm not sure. Let me look at the other fender and see what that looks like. And just see, I think the one I'm doing right now is the worst one. And let's see here. Here's one of the fenders, the other fender I should say. And let's see here. That area is good. Okay, it's gonna need it down there on the bottom. Yep. And yep, up on top. That's what it looked like. You know, right there. This one goes a little bit further. This one goes all the way up to here. So this one's a little worse and a little bit better, that fender, compared to the other one. So that's what I will be doing in the next couple of days to get that done for Kelly, the owner of Classic Custom Upholstery. So we're doing a little swap out of jobs and deals. They did the seats on my 300, and they'll do more jobs for me too for all these other cars, but they're the best in all of South Texas. Okay, peace. Be good, everybody. Choose. Have a good day. Happy New Year. 2021 is going to kick ass. Go Trump. Go Q. Round up all these demons and devils and evil people that are doing all sorts of miserable, horrible, nasty things to every society that they live in and infect. I won't get into that right now here on this video, usually on this channel, but just trust me, there's a lot of bad hombres out there doing some really bad stuff to kids and adults. So just let me tell you, they're pure evil, folks, pure evil. So anyways, I'm out of here. Goodbye. See you. Be good. Tschüss.